In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a submit button on Jotform. Creating forms for your website, event or survey can be an easy task with the right tools at your disposal. Jotform, a renowned online form builder, simplifies the process by offering a user-friendly platform. One essential feature of any form is the submit button, which allows your visitors to send their completed forms to you. If you're unsure how to add this crucial component, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Jotform's website. Simply type free online form builder and form creator vertical bar Jotform in your browser's search bar, or bookmark the link for future use. Once you're on the site, you'll see how Jotform prides itself on providing a streamlined form building experience. To start editing or creating a form, you're going to want to log into your Jotform account. Look for the login button usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. However, if you've linked your Jotform account with Google or another platform, you can opt for those quicker login methods. A single click can have you signed in and ready to go, bypassing the traditional email and password routine. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you'll find a treasure trove of all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. To find the form you wish to edit, click on My Forms on the menu. This section organizes your forms neatly, allowing for easy access. Once you've located the form you want to tweak, click on the Edit Form button associated with it. Editing your form is where the real fun begins. You'll notice the Add Element button prominently displayed on the left side of your screen within the Form Builder interface. This is your gateway to enhancing your form with various fields and elements. Click on it to reveal a wide range of options. Now, under the Basic tab, which is opened by default, you'll find a list of the essential form elements you might need. Scroll down until you encounter the Submit button. This button is the linchpin of your form, allowing your respondents to send you their responses. Once you've found the Submit button in the list, it's time to add it to your form. The process is wonderfully straightforward. All you need to do is click and hold on to the Submit button, then drag it to your desired location on the form. Release your hold to place the button. This intuitive drag and drop method makes arranging your form's elements a breeze, offering you complete control over the layout. As you position the Submit button, consider its placement carefully. Common practice suggests placing it at the end of the form, ensuring users have completed all necessary fields before submission. The visual cues guide your respondents through the form, culminating in the action of submitting their responses. Jotform's versatility doesn't end here. Once you've added the Submit button, feel free to explore other customization options. From changing the button's text to adjusting its color, you can ensure it aligns perfectly with your form's aesthetics and purpose. Jotform offers extensive customization options, giving you the freedom to make your form uniquely yours. To wrap things up, remember to save your changes. Jotform automatically saves your progress, but it's always good practice to manually save, ensuring all your hard work is securely applied to your form. Once saved, your form is ready to go, complete with a Submit button, ready to collect responses from your audience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a Submit button to your Jotform. Whether you're creating a form for event registrations, customer feedback, or lead generation, this essential element will ensure your form fulfills its purpose effectively. With Jotform's easy-to-navigate platform, the possibilities are endless, empowering you to create forms that meet your specific needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements and layouts, making the most of what Jotform has to offer.